So this is what you get. You get the water table, the snooker bottle that goes on the bottom, the pump, the hose, and this, all the bolts to mount it and everything. Okay, whole deal, that's it. It's $125 is what I'm selling them for with everything. And pumps come to you in the Amazon truck, and everything else comes to you through the U.S. Post Office from my shop. So hey, y'all get in touch, and I'll get you one out, but that explains how you mount it. So the one that wanted to know and the one that know what all comes in it for $125, well, that's what all is in it, dudes. So hey, get in touch if you want one. I'll got a batch made over there sitting on the shelf, and I'll sure get you one out. Hey there folks, Spike here in the prospecting shop. I just put together this water table and I wanted to show you what's in it and how it goes and how it mounts and get that show, because I had a customer to send me a message and say, how do I mount this blooming thing? So we're going to show you right quick how to do that, okay? So first of all, it comes with a pump, AC pump, comes with a sucker bottle, comes with a brush, piece of hose to hook it up with, and then you got two nuts on the back right here. Hope y'all can see what I'm doing here. I'll try to zoom the camera into it. 2 nuts that hold the flap on. You raise the flap up, and it's just bent. And there's a piece of this material here in here. What that does is that diffuses the water and helps make it come up smooth and smoke, go real nice and smooth across the table, okay? Now, other than that, you're just going to raise this table up, and I tried to drill the holes in it big enough to where they don't catch on the screws. They got a little extra clearance, and raise it up and get it off the table. Now to mount this, you just set the one you get on the machine, like, well, let's find a fresh spot, okay, where there ain't no holes. Set it here, and then raise it up to there, where that little bump is. You see this? Raise it up to at least there, and then drill your holes. And then from there, you want to go up with your adjustments from that point up, okay? That's the first thing. And then the other end will be coming at you, and the first end will be set. And then the back end, you line these holes up and drop them and drill them right through here. And what you're going to put for the upper end where the water goes in, you want a long bolt and a nut right here on through your tub, right through it, like this, with a nut on top. Bolt sticking up. It'll look just like that. And then you put you another nut on here that'll hold the sluice up where it goes, okay? You do the same thing there. So I don't want to make this all crazy, but I just want y'all to see what it goes. So your table goes on just like that on your bolts, and you're working on a plastic tub so everything can wiggle a little bit, okay? But once you get the water in the tub and this thing's set and level, and you level it with these screws right here, see? If it doesn't have enough angle, you raise it up right here. If it's down on, when it gets to this end, you see this slot? What we got is the water's, everything's coming down. It drops into this inverted riffle. Gold is not going to get up out of that riffle and get over to here, okay? Don't worry. So what you're doing, you're going to watch the water flow here and here underneath the bottom until you get an even flow. Then you got this end set. Then the upper end, just get it leveled out where the water's flowed all the way across the table, and then go back to the regular directions of everything of how to run it. Scrape it here, push it through, put it in that hole, and get it in the sucker bottle, okay? So that's how it mounts. And this, I had people to ask about it, and when you get ready to run, the filter material will be right in here, and the flap will go right on the top. You got 2 nuts to put on it to adjust the flow. Now that's the other thing I want to show you real quick. See this? See this gap right here, guys? I can adjust that gap by this top nut up here like that. See it? So that's how you set this height to get you a real nice linear flow, smooth all the way across. And you want water flow smooth everywhere, right across this hole. Now you got this is the tip. Squeeze the bottle and get all the air out. But better than that, dip the bottle in the water before you start. Fill it full of water, then put it on. That's how you do that. So anyway, that's how you mount the thing. I had people asking, and they wanted to know what come with it. Another customer did. So this is what you get. You get the water table, the snooker bottle that goes on the bottom, the pump, the hose, and this. All the bolts to mount it and everything. Okay? Whole deal, and that's it. And so $125 is what I'm selling them for with everything. And pumps come to you in the Amazon truck, and everything else comes to you through the U.S. Post Office from my shop. So hey, y'all get in touch, and I'll get you one out. But that explains how you mount it. So the one that wanted to know and the one that know what all comes in it for $125, well, that's what all is in it, dudes. So hey, get in touch if you want one. I'll got a batch made over there sitting on the shelf, and I'll sure get you one out. And they go out on 2-day. So when you order it, it takes usually 2 days to get there from the time I get it in the box out the door. So cool beans. You know why I do that? Because we have flat rate boxes that fit this thing, because I made it to fit a flat rate box when I was making it. And the idea was to be able to ship them anywhere in the country to any state for $20. So that's what worked out. So hey, get in touch. Let me know if you want one. I'll get it out, and I got other things coming.